our public safety industry has fallen somewhat behind. And there are people who think that LTE should serve public safety. Same thing all over again. The company that I'm introducing now, Assured Wireless, is taking on that challenge. They are creating systems that take advantage of the scale of LTE, but that are optimized for public safety, for the people that we depend on to defend us on a daily basis. The 4 co-founders of Assured Wireless have all been in the industry for a long time, some as long as 40 years. Collectively, they've got some 25 patents. They've been in 20 startup companies. These companies have raised over $170 million. Assured Wireless has picked up the gauntlet, and they are going after the industry to protect us all. So allow me to introduce Steve Morley, who is the president of Assured Wireless. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Marty. At Assured Wireless, we're all about helping public safety first responders complete their mission to help save our lives, protect property, and keep themselves safe in the process. We're going to do that by giving them the ability to reliably connect to advanced broadband wireless networks, to replace their 50-year dependence on staying connected simply with this very complex, simple, push-to-talk, two-way radio handy-talkie. Now, you and I take advantage of the public cellular networks every day with our smartphones and all the rich applications that we enjoy most. But in emergency situations, we know, like, for instance, the wildfires we had a few years ago, the public cellular networks get totally overcongested, and these devices will fail to operate reliably. As a result of a key recommendation of the 9/11 Commission, which analyzed the emergency response to that terrible incident, it was recommended that there be a dedicated, high reliability, wireless broadband system specifically arranged or set up to support public safety. Congress took on this challenge and founded and funded a new initiative called FirstNet, specifically for this purpose. There are a few regional networks operating around the country now, but later this year, the nationwide network of FirstNet will roll out. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? But see, there's still a problem. The problem is that devices like you and I carry, and new devices that will be available on FirstNet, still have the issue that they don't work reliably deep inside large buildings or out East County, San Diego, where forest fires start. Emergency responders can't count on a network that doesn't keep them reliably connected wherever the emergency takes them. Well, that's where Assured Wireless comes in. We've innovated a unique technology that allows wireless devices, smartphones and such, to transmit in even the most challenging communication environments to keep our first responders connected, no matter, again, where the emergency takes them. Now, we'll eventually implement this technology in small little circuit modules that will be embedded in future products. But it's important for public safety to have access reliably to the FirstNet network on day one using their existing wireless devices. Therefore, our technology will be initially implemented into a small hotspot like this one that will connect any wireless device via Wi-Fi in an area larger than this auditorium, and then connect from there back at long range reliably into the FirstNet broadband network. Now, this makes possible a number of applications that were never before possible for public safety. Things like mapping and location-based services, situational awareness analysis, biometrics and telemedicine opportunities, even interagency communications are all now made possible where they never were before. FirstNet has analyzed the potential market for this type of device, And they found a market opportunity of over 16 million user devices over the next 5 years that represent an opportunity exceeding $25 billion. Assured Wireless is positioned to take advantage of a significant portion of that potential market. We've been testing our technology on 5 networks around the country over the last few months, and we've consistently shown our ability to keep first responders connected where all of the devices fail. We do this without increasing the size or the battery consumption of the devices we're working with, and at a total cost less than half the cost of the traditional legacy two-way radio approach. We're actually now being used in a critical key component in the public safety network for a very big event in Houston called the Houston Rodeo that will bring over 2.5 million people to that event. There were dead spots in Energy Center that our equipment is now fulfilling and keeping those people safe. Now, you've already heard about the highly capable and skilled team that forms the basis of Assured Wireless. We're currently seeking investment to help us finance the development of our first commercial product. So if you'd be interested in helping us help first responders and be part of an attractive investment that will help shape the future of wireless connectivity devices, we invite you to contact us and learn more. Our entire team and millions of first responders, thank you.